Corner. What did you see?
Wow, sige sirain mo.
The Element Lords. They have been released.
Sige, buksan mo.
General Karen,
What?
sir, please, you've got to help us. We need help. Don't worry, lads. Don't worry, lads. We'll fix you up. Same thing happened to me way back when. What you need is a little bit of
Open mo dali.
paint. Paint will do.
Kaya yun. Buksan mo ulit mo.
Good old chemical.
Kaya yun. Buksan mo.
Just touch the crystal.
Yan.
All
Yan.
will be revealed.
Wow.
Alam mo, bukas na
I
regalo.
the Element Lords on a mission of revenge. They were originally created by wizards of the distant lands, built cities and protect kingdoms.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
But the wizards were not content and demanded more and more. Each abuse of nature's power made the Element Lords change. Eventually, they grew strong enough to break free of the wizards' spell into their fury. All around them, they almost destroyed the world. But and get the jewels. Your friends will help you along the way, Petal Papa. Renero will be your strength.
Sige tayo.
Falcona will be your eyes. I think you missed the spot, Harry. Now, which way you put that brush, Terry? Which way you put it? How's it going, lad? Oh, now we've done it. What? Son, what's happened?
Gusto niyo kaya yan?
What have you done to my office? Most of these belong to King Alfred.
Para naman kinakain
This
eh.
was his magical book.
Ganun na po.